Hey guys, good morning. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader, and it's going to be linked in the comments below or in the description. Again, this isn't really going to be a long video. My targets are essentially playing out. I told you guys that I was very bullish towards the upside. I think we do have a CPI later today. I think just on TA wise, right, I do think, like I said, I do think we're going to like a 545 and then probably pushing higher to like 550. And I've been saying this for a while now, right? I'm still pretty bullish towards the upside. You know, you can definitely do something like this, like that, right? And then push to like 550. Whoops. Or you can just go straight up to like 550, right? Probably within like a week or two. And again, it's only because you already closed a full daily candle above this. See if I can get it a little bit cleaner, right? Above channel, right? So really what I'm targeting is mid channel, right? Because there has to be there's another mid channel in between this one right here. So I'm probably targeting somewhere like a 545 and a drop, retest, and a push, or just a push up to like 553 with no retest, right? Either way, I'm pretty bullish towards 545 and 552, unless you get like a really shitty CPI today, right? Because CPI is later today in about 1 hour, right? If CPI comes out like really, really, really bad, this can definitely just fucking sink like crazy, right? CPI, right? Fed rate, yeah, there's got a lot of news today, bro. So again, if news comes out really, really shitty, right, you can drop to 521 in a heartbeat, right? But overall, TA wise, you already broke the channel to the upside. Again, TA wise, this looks like it's going straight to 552, right? I would not be surprised if you just keep pushing based off of regular technicals, right? But because CPI is today, I'm telling you, if that thing comes out really, really, really fucking shitty, you know, you're looking at a really nasty drop, right? And again, I'm targeting probably 521 on the SPX if you do get a super nasty CPI, right? 86. Man, these are some small moves, honestly. 86%, really? That's how much it's looking for on the daily? Do we not run more than that? That's so weird. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, it's on the daily average, it's looking probably for like a 542 or something. But again, I'm still targeting this 545, right? I've been telling you guys, I'm still bullish to 540 on the upside. That's probably going to hit maybe today. It's for sure going to hit today if CPI comes out less than what everybody's expecting, right? If CPI comes out really, really high, I would not be surprised if this shit just fucking dies, right? But again, not really too much of TA, you know, because you don't really need TA for the SPX and the NASDAQ all too much, right? You really just need to run the channels and basically move forward with that, right? So again, 545, probably retest and a push up, or you just push up real hard if CPI comes out real good. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.